Sit in any comfortable posture with the spine, neck erect and eyes closed. Do not change the posture for the next half an hour. Start breathe in and breathe out very slowly and very deeply with awareness. While breathing in and breathing out, mentally chant Om. While chanting Om, please carefully listen to it with lot of love in your heart. Breathe in slowly and breathe out deeply with awareness. While doing this, mentally chant Om. While chanting Om, carefully listen to it with deep love in your heart. Just listen. Do not start imagining. While chanting Om, if some picture comes, just look at it. Do not think about it. Just listen to the sound or just look at the picture. Do not start imagining. Slowly stop it. Now start listening to the different sounds outside. It can be anything. Chirpings of the bird, barking of the dogs, crowing of the crows. Select one of the sounds and just start listening to it. Do not visualize. In case you see a picture, just look at it. Now select another sound. Just start listening to it very carefully. Do not visualize. Just listen. Shift the mind again. Select another sound. Just start listening to it. If the mind starts distracting, breathe in and breathe out slowly, deeply with awareness. Again start listening to the sound outside. Stop it. Now start listening to the sounds within the heart. If no sound is heard, just mentally observe the deep silence within the heart. Just observe. Now breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly with awareness. While doing it, chant Om with deep love by carefully listening to it. Mentally watch the silence carefully that immediately follows the chanting of Om.
Om. ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Observe the silence and try to feel the deep silence. Now onwards, try to increase the gap between two chantings and try to observe the silence. Lengthen the silence. Keep on increasing the gap of silence between two chantings and observe it carefully.
ಪಿಚ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. As and when the mind diverts, bring it back and put it on that chanting. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಪಿಚ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸು ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಿಚ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now keep chanting Om mentally. While chanting, listen to it and feel the silence between two chantings.
Keep on bringing back the mind and hook it on that breathing, hook it on that chanting. check the mind. It's totally silent. Some of you will start seeing brilliant light. Please observe it. Now slowly observe the brilliant light slowly percolating on the face. ಆ ಲೈಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬರಲಿ. ಫೇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್. Let it come down. It is covering the neck. It is covering the shoulders. Let it cover the shoulders. It is covering the chest. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್. ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ. It is covering the stomach area. Let it cover. You just observe it. It is covering the thighs, legs. Your whole body is now covered by the brilliant light, the silent. Whole light is now slowly coming out of the body. It is covering your surroundings. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Your whole body, inside and outside, is covered by that beautiful, silent and brilliant light. Just enjoy it. Remain in that. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now check the mind. Mind check ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಹಳ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ. That this silent mind is very creative mind. ಬಹಳ creative mind. ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕೆಲವಾದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಸಾರಿ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Check the breathing. It's very shallow, very slow, very deep. Breathing check ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಲೋ, ಬಹಳ ಡೀಪ್. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡಿ. Let it go like that. Now try to listen that silence within this hall. ಈ ಹಾಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Your body is full of silence. The hall is full of silence. ಕೈ ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ. ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಸುಖಿನಃ ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಂತು ನಿರಾಮಯಾ ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು Offer your prostration to the powerful silence. This is the core of your personality. ಒಂದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. The silence is very beautiful. The silence is very creative. And the Upanishad says, you are the silence, and silence is God. When the mind is without agitations, it is without outflowing, that verily is God, says Upanishad. Yada na vidyate chittam, na cha vikshipyate punah. ಅನಿಂಗ ಅನುಮನಾಭಾಸ ನಿಷ್ಪನ್ನಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತತ್ತದ says Upanishad. The silence that they have observed is the core of your personality. As and when you get time, keep on visiting the core of the personality. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಮಯ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ you become one with that personality and you remain a very silent person, very happy person, very contented person, very healthy person. ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು.